Let's have fun this Easter by making this bunny burrito with shredded empal filling. We'll need 800 gram beef chuck tender, half cup of fried shallot, 2 packages Bumbu Empal Munik, 800 ml coconut milk, and some water for boiling. We'll also need some wraps, seaweed, big red chilli, some spring onion, and chopped lettuce. Now let's begin by boil the meat in a pot to remove the scums. After that, transfer the meat to a pressure cooker pot, pour in the coconut milk, and add the Bumbu Empal Munik. Now add the fried shallots and then stir to mix. Cook the meat for 30 minutes. When it's done, transfer it to the cutting board. It's time to cut or shred the meat to small pieces. After that, transfer all the shredded meat to a pot and then add the liquid from the pressure cooker to the pot. Cook in the low heat until liquid reduced to half. In another frying pan, pan-fry the meat in batches until all liquid completely absorbed. Now is the fun part, prepare all the decoration. Now take 2 tablespoons of shredded empal and place on the wrap. Add some chopped lettuce. Now fold the bottom part and the sides to the center. Then cut the bunny ears with a scissor. Now add the eyes, the nose, the ears, and also the whiskers. Now your bunny burrito are ready. Have fun eating. Thank you for watching.